In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the door handle trim on your GMC K1500. This will be located on the inside of the door. Let's get started. We're going to use one trim piece and pull up on the back of the handle. While we do this, we're going to push down on the clips on the inside. And remove the trim piece. Those clips that we were pushing on were right here, here, and one more in the top right there. Install the trim piece, make sure it's snapped into place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.